Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use edge panels on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung A54. Scroll down the settings page, locate and click on display. Scroll down the display page, and then you see edge panel. Click on that. Once you selected edge panels, first you need to turn on edge panels. Now, to customize the application that pops on your edge panels, click on Apps. Then here you should see your edge panels app. You can have app, people, Smart Select, Task, Weather, Tools, Music, Reminder, and then Clipboard. Now, to customize your edge panels app, come here and click on Edit. Then you'll be able to add additional application to your edge panels. So scroll down, and then locate the application you want to add to the edge panels list. You see it here. So the more app you add, the more slots you have on the edge panels. Then once you're done, you should see the number of apps you added here. So I have 10. Hit the back button. Now if you want to add people, select people. If you want to add Smart Select, select Smart Select, Task, Weather, Tools. Now if you open the edge panel here, then you should have access to all that you selected here. You see it? So now once you are done, hit the back button. Then you can also come to handle, click on it. Then here you can change where the edge panels appears. You can change it from right to left or from left to right. Now you can also lock the handle. If you want to make the edge panel movable, come here and then lock handle position. So this is movable. Now to lock the handle position, just turn this on. You can also change the style or the color of the edge panel. You see that? Then come to transparency. Increase or reduce the transparency. Then the size, if you want to make it larger, you should see the edge panel like this. Then if you want to make it smaller, reduce the size. Then as well, the width, if you want a thicker width, switch to the right. If you want a tiny width, then to the edge. Then I just prefer to use it as medium. Then the last thing, you want to vibrate when handle is touched. So if you want it to vibrate each time you touch the edge panel handle, toggle this on or disable it. And then you're good. Now, when next you want to use your edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy A54 home screen or on app screen, just come here, swipe out like this. Then you should see your edge panels like this, and then that is it. Then you should see the settings pop here. If you click on that, then you should have access to the settings. If you want to remove apps from the edge panels, remove app. Then if you open this, instead of having app, you're gonna have people. If you remove people, then you're gonna have Smart Select. If you remove Smart Select, then you're gonna have Open Task or Task on your Samsung A54 5G. And then that is basically how you can easily use edge panels. You see that? So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.